Today we are in the RV capital of the world, Elkhart, Indiana, visiting the RV Museum Hall of Fame. So make sure you keep it locked because we're about to get into it like this. It's the bird, y'all. It's the bird, KYD's bird. We about to go check that out real quick. If y'all follow KYD, Keep Your Daydream, you know they did that Route 66. This was what they used. Let's go take a look at that. Big shout out to KYD. Let's get it. There they go. And there's the bird. Okay, y'all, there we have a wide angle view of KYD's bird that they used on Route 66. Mike and Tricia. We about to get in it. Let's go. Oh yeah, we up in here. We up in here. Up in here. Oh, this was awesome, man. Oh, they had a great vibe in this. And look who's here. He's still here. What's up, dog? Look at that cockpit. Yo, for real, shout out to Mike and Trish. You guys did it big with this one. And the fact that it's here for everybody to come see, y'all should come check it out. This is awesome. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this rig a lot. I love it. This is where they took a shower. And they did their business. They actually did their business right there, I think. Y'all already know how Trish loves to throw down in the kitchen. So here it is. Super, super, super cool. So yo, on the for real, gonna wrap it up right here. Gonna wrap it up right here in the KYD Bird RV that they drove, the big old bus on Route 66. Gonna shut it down for y'all. So y'all already know what it is. If you haven't liked or subscribed yet, go ahead and do that, please. Ding that notification bell and make sure to always see new places, meet new faces, and always keep a space for love. Peace. Look who I found. What's going on, Grandma? What you got? Ooh. Oh, y'all gotta check out this deck. Hold up. Look at this hand. Smell of money.